Hey guys, welcome to my channel Artsy Hub. So today let's see what are the common mistakes that everybody does in watercolors, and this is going to be a part 1 video. It's going to be a short video where the usual mistake that is done is taking excess water in the brush. I see a lot of kids doing this common mistake, so I thought of sharing this video here. Yes, hope this helps. Control over the brush is very important. Okay, so here see we are going to do 3 types of ovals over here. Okay, we're going to paint. Now first one, I'm going to use more water here. See, I'm going to keep this, I'm using this. Okay, I'm going to use a lot of water here first. I'm not going to do this one. See, understand, I'm going to take water and I'm going to mix here. Any color you can take, any color it can be. First oval I'm doing with lot of water here. See the kind of finishing that you get. Okay, see there will be a lot of water here. The first one you're using more water. See, it settles down here. This means you have taken a lot of water, okay, and you shouldn't be taking so much water when you are painting. Now the next step, what you do is clean your brush. Now see, remove the excess water. Remove the excess water in this way. Excess water now for the second one, and take paints. Now try the second one. Look how neatly you can paint this because there is less water, isn't it? See, let's do one more. Now what happens is there's even very less amount of water in our brush. See, the paint has turned very light. Now the next one. Now here what happens is the water in the brush gets empty. It's dry. See, there isn't enough amount of water now to paint. See, you'll get all these strokes, lines when there is less water. Okay, understood? When there is less water, you won't be able to paint it so neatly. Okay, you will get all these strokes. So what you have to do, you have to take a good amount of water. Now what we have done for this, we have cleaned our brush and then we removed the excess water. That is how we got this type of finishing, good finishing, isn't it? So you have to follow this. Okay, to make a mistake. So here see, let's do a line. See, with a lot of water we won't be able to do a proper straight line and a even line. Okay, with a lot of water, see, it comes uneven like this. And it stays watery. It stays watery, isn't it? See, watery. Now for the second trial, let us take a good amount of water. Let us remove the excess water. Mix again the same purple. Now let's try. This is the second trial here. Let's try it over here. See, with good amount of water you will be able to paint it neatly like this. You'll be able to paint a straight line. See, if you're using very less water in your brush, what happens is, see, it comes dry like this. you're using less water, see, you won't be able to paint it. See, if it happens like this, you should understand that there's very less water in your brush and you have to pick a little amount of water. Okay, you have to take it and you have to do it neatly like this. Understood, right? Now one more thing I wanted to say is, see, if you're using more water, it takes a lot of time to dry as well. Here, see, it flows, it takes a lot of time to dry, whereas here we have taken a good amount of water. See, it has almost dried. This this has dried already. Now see, I have to turn the page, so what I have to do is I have to just remove this water in this way, or else it will come for the next page.